Hi guys, Fana here. I'm back with an amazing way to show you how to improve hair growth. This is a natural way to treat your dry and damaged hair. You all might have heard about flax seeds and its excellent benefits for good health. Did you guys know that it has an excellent property to help our hair grow faster and longer? The nutrient promotes the health of the scalp by reducing free radical damage. It helps to improve circulation in the head, thus promoting hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. It also nourishes hair follicles. Before we start the video, a gentle reminder for you all lovely people to subscribe if you haven't yet so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Flaxseed is also known as linseed. They are rich in vitamin E, which is great for skin and hair health. It gives the hair a very good shine, so let's see how we make the gel. Take a pan of your choice and add 2 cups of water. Let it boil. Once the water boils, add 25 grams of flaxseed. You can use brown or golden seeds. I'm using brown here. Stir well and you can notice the consistency of the water changing. Occasionally for 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. Turn off the flame after 12 minutes and pour the content into a dish. The mixture thickens when it cools down. Now we need to strain the mixture and get the clear gel. I'm using a muslin cloth here to strain. The gel is so clear and has a mild fragrance. Squeeze the gel into a container. The consistency depends on the amount of water you add. If you want a loose mixture, you can add some more water while preparing the gel. Flaxseed is a very good leave-in conditioner too. It helps with the natural curls and is very good to enhance the curls and waves. It is easier to apply using a bottle like this so you can reach the scalp and roots evenly. Now detangle your hair and put your hair upside down. Start applying from the roots to the tip. Massage really well using to and fro motion, and once the gel is applied evenly, leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Hair up and have a nice shower after this and rinse it off using just warm water. Let your hair dry naturally and enjoy the results. That's all guys, hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with another video. Meanwhile, hit that like button and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you soon.